So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Alright, JJLEE squad, and the build starts. Pretty much I got the whole front bumper out. I got the old one. Got the breaker supports out, got the top part out. Put the top part right here, breaker support. So that's pretty much it. Got the tires on, put the spacers on, tape it up, cut. But yeah, pretty much I got that back off too. So I'm getting it done. Really, it's just the front bumper. Then you can cut. So just pretty much work your way from the front to the back. And that's it, really. But it's killing me. But it's gonna pay off, bro. But really, I just wanted to show y'all a little quick little update. Like y'all see, I got that Cant, that little freaking adaptive cruise control. I unhooked that. So, but yeah, pretty much. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned. It's a little quick snippet, but I just been working. You know, it's kind of hard, but staying busy, getting everything done now. So stay tuned. I will catch y'all in a second. Pretty much I'll just stop and start every freaking update. But here's a new bumper. All the clips, like I said, it's good to be ahead. Now I just gotta clip the bracket supports, like I said. And this top piece, throw it on, front bumper on. We good. Then we're gonna move next, really, honestly, to the back. Really. Then that's it. So stay tuned, y'all. Really, it's tedious, but you just, let me put this camera on real quick. It's tedious, but you just gotta have the right tools, honestly. I really don't have all the right tools, but I'm substituting. But watch, when this YouTube jump up a little bit, I'll be getting a lot more better tools and just giving y'all more content. But I'm a hands-on type of dude. I want to do my own stuff. I want to say, hey, I did this, like I did for my friend car. So really stay tuned. It's about 50 degrees. It's getting a little hotter, so it ain't too bad. I started when it was like 40, so. But stay tuned, y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll keep y'all updated. All right, JJLEE squad, I am back with a little update. Front bumper is in. Put the flash, the Gucci, screw both of the bolts in. Put the new side marker lights in. Step back, just like that. Just like that. Gucci. No, probably gotta push that in a little bit. So far, baby, this thing is sitting pretty, very pretty. But really, next is the back bumper. Now, honestly, because the front bumper's done, got the bolts in there. Oh yeah, I really just gotta put these up at the top, and then that's it for the front bumper. So, oh buddy, that's about it. Honestly, really, yeah. It's gonna be small little updates. I'm starting to focus on this one thing at a time, nice and slow, honestly, and just work my way back. So I'm gonna do this back bumper, drill the holes, do all the extra stuff, and then really it's cutting and putting the fenders on. And that's it, really. Now I can go ahead and slap the spacers on when I got the wheels on. But that's it. Stay tuned, man. Look at this baby though. Look at this baby though. Update JJLEE squad, your boy's back. I have completely removed the rear bumper so far. So pretty much it's all Gucci. Now let me show y'all what you gotta do to take off the rear bumper then. There's a bolt that hooks in like right here, and then this little switch releases the whole bumper. So there's a bolt that goes in right there to hold it up. But once you take that bolt out and the bolt down here, you press it, and the shit just unhooks, and that's it. And you gotta take off all the bolts on there, bolt right here. But that's pretty much it. Yeah. And you gotta have to take off the tail lights and everything else. Go over here and show y'all. This is what we're gonna be putting on the new bumper, which is the lights, the parking sensors, and then here's the old bumper. You can't see. Weird. We're making progress. So once this rear bumper goes on, then it's time pretty much. I'm gonna slap the spacers on, really start cutting. And that's it. Got a little walk around real quick before and after. it's lined, like the front bumper is lined up good, bro. It really is. Jesus. Yeah, the stripes gotta go, bro. Anyway, y'all stay tuned, man. I'm working. The hard part is almost over. Now it's just cutting and gluing, and that's it. So stay tuned. JJLEE Squad, what is up? It's your boy Jordan. Yes, I look crazy. Safety goggles. But I wanted to update y'all real quick. It's been some hours. I'm dead. I'm tired. I've been working. So far, I made progress. Really, I got technically one side complete. Well, I only got one side left. I cut the fenders. I want to see if it does cut. I'm trying to see if it does rub or touch. Right now, it's looking really, really good. You can see in my face, I'm dead. But I want to get this finished, and I'm going to get it finished. So I'm going to go ahead and turn around the camera and show y'all the update real quick. I know this wasn't really an informative video, but, you know, it's hard doing it. I'm doing this all by myself, so. Here y'all go. My battery's been low too. Like I said, yeah, cut the fender. Left a little clear spot for the top of the tire. And over here, put off the Dragon. Side marker lights in there. Cut. Left to, yeah, cut this fender too. So far, but yeah, got the back bumper on there. This kit didn't come with the vent, so I gotta order the vent so I can just slide them in real easily. But we only got this all left, just put that on. And I got that side. And I just got to cut. And that's pretty much it, y'all. Like I said, I know this really ain't too informative, but I've been grinding. I just been going back and forth, leaving the camera on, off, phone been low. So, you know, I mean, it's been so far a successful install right now. I've been using my hair dryer / heat gun, heat up the door, heat up the fender, heat up the 3-inch tank. Then I go put it on there. I'm going to cut a good amount right here. Put the bracket on first, and I know where I'm going to cut. Then I cut. Then I'll show you also the fender flare too. So, that's pretty much it though. Stay tuned, man. I'm almost done. Then I gotta pretty much take the stripes off, finish taking the Dragon off, and I also got new badges for the side. So 392 is going, and also this Dragon. But like I said, I've been at it since about really 11, so not bad for a whole car transformation, honestly, bro. But like I said, stay tuned. I will catch y'all later, and when I come back, the car will be completed. JJLEE Squad, what is up? It's your boy Jordan, and I'm back. It's daytime. And, well, it's still daytime, but I got something to show y'all. Right now, y'all hear the hair dryer right now taking off the stripes right now. But, I'm going to show y'all what she's looking like so far. This side was up a little bit. I'm letting it sit real quick. I cut more, but this is like the finished product. Where I cut, I'm still kind of ribbing, of course, but that's only because these are 275 45 20s. I need like 30 20s, so they're so high, but it's good right there. Go over here. Like I said, I had these in the front area. These are 245 45 20s. Yep. So I need to change the 30s, and I'm probably gonna go up to 305s. But like I said, there you go. I'm gonna take that, get that silicone laid later. But that's how it's coming up. So, but so far, this is how she looking. Crispy, clean. Yeah, it's crazy, bro. It's a whole new car. I'm gonna change out my badges real quick too while I'm taking all the stripes right now. Well, pretty much that's it. I mean, like, it's a little tiny, but that's not bad whatsoever, bro. I'm just glad it's on there. It's drip on there. Got brackets too, but like I said, finishing taking all the stripes. The parking sensors. This kit didn't come with vents for some reason, so I got some coming. Got a lead tire marker. But yeah, really. This baby is is pretty much done. But like I said, of course I'm gonna rub because my tires are so high. But I mean, it'll die down sooner or later. But I'm pretty satisfied, honestly. Once I get finished taking off all these leftover red stripes, I got new badges. I'll show that later. But yeah, this baby is coming together. No complaints. This is crazy. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Boy, please get on. I did that, bro. I did that. But also I had adaptive cruise control. I unplugged it because of course they didn't I put adaptive cruise control, but they didn't send me the right grill, so I just unplugged it, unhooked it. And that it only pops up like a little sign on the dash, but it doesn't, you know, I didn't like it anyway, so I just unplugged it. I tried to leave it on, but the bumper wouldn't fit right. You know that little square down there, so that's it. So I just let that alone. Pretty much the bumpers fitting real good. It's even on both sides. Hood looking good. But yeah, pretty much that's it, y'all. I'll update y'all when I got all the stripes off and when the badges have been changed. That's it. I did more cuts today just to round it out a little bit more, you know. But so far so good. I can't believe I did it. But I will catch y'all later. Stay tuned. I'll update y'all later. JJLEE squad, I'm back, and I'm back with the finished product. Pretty much, yeah, the finished product. I turned around, took all the stripes off, wiped it, added more glue on some spots. Some spots may come up a little bit, but it ain't noticeable, and you can't fit your finger in it. But let me turn around, and here she goes. Completely white, clean. Tape is off. Stripes is off. Here are the new badges that I added. Kind of like a demon scan pack badge. But wiped it off with alcohol. Got them one little spot lead side markers. There's already there. That's pretty much it, really. And then the only thing I really gotta do is get 305 tires, honestly. And then that's gonna fit that gap pretty good, honestly. But this baby is complete. Looking at the lines, this only spot to look kind of punchy a little bit, but I can't fit my finger in it, so that's Gucci. Yep, wheels are dirty, but and then that's the only thing I really gotta get is the vents. I ordered them from Dawn, so they're coming tomorrow, but that's pretty much it. Wide body complete, y'all. Pretty much like a full, I think 2 days. 2 days, really, to fully do this install. Wiped everything with alcohol. Got to drill my own holes. That hole ugly, but it's not noticeable. But let me show y'all more details. Did some more cutting today. It's still rubbing a little bit, of course, because look at that, 4T5. Well, I need 305, 30, 20s. So that's why it may rub sometimes, but these flares aren't going anywhere. So really nothing. If I hear a little rubbing here and there, it'll wear down, but that's only on big bumps. So now just to get the tires on, and that's about it. Follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube. But it's sitting pretty. I did add 1-inch spacers, so that's why the wheels are poking out beautifully. And it's not poking out too much. They're not, you know, in there all the way. But like I said, the little carbon diffuser, of course. Shake the bumper. It's in there. You remember, I installed this whole kit by myself, bro. Took off the stripes, did a full, complete makeover. All by myself. I worked probably from 11 a.m. I started yesterday to 11 p.m. So it was a job, but I pretty much got it done. Looking at everything, but oh buddy, 2019 Scat Pack wide body Drago white Dragon. Looking at everything, see, just a clean white. I just want to do the clean white. Yeah, that's pretty much it, like I said, I took that out. Got a little warning light, but that's whatever. Yep, that's pretty much it, y'all. Remember to like, subscribe, favorite, share the video. Tell me what y'all think, and I will catch y'all later.